Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's make another restaurant quality meal you can make at home. How about chicken piccata?
All right, let's make our version of chicken piccata. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we like to show you how to make restaurant quality dishes at home. Chicken piccata, a restaurant dish that's easy to make, but people still seem to mess it up. It's a classic Italian-American dish. It's delicious, but we're gonna show you how to make it easier and better. Without further ado, let's go. So chicken piccata, it's basically chicken, butter, capers, lemon juice. We're gonna make a few little upgrades, but let's start with our chicken. When it comes to the chicken, you got three choices. You could take whole chicken breasts and pound them out till they're about a half an inch thick, or you can butterfly your chicken, so cutting it kind of in half so it becomes a half an inch thick, or you can buy these thin sliced chicken breasts from the store. It's up to you. You do whatever you wanna do. You do you, boo. So I'm just gonna get these guys laid out so they are not overlapping. Not that that really matters. Then we're gonna season these guys with some kosher salt and some pepper. Make sure and hit both sides. Then we wanna give these guys coating of flour. So this is just all-purpose flour. And then one of the things we're gonna do to upgrade this is throw in some Parmesan. Normally, I'm all about fresh grated Parm. I don't usually love this kind of stuff, but for this application, it just kind of works. So get that all combined. And then you just want to dip each of our guys in there, get them nice and coated. And this is gonna help, it's gonna help the chicken get a little bit crispier on the outside, but it's also gonna help thicken the sauce. So shake off any excess, put it back. And then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. We want some pasta to go along with our chicken. So at some point during this process, depending on your multitasking skills, go ahead and bring 4 to 6 quarts of water up to a boil, salt that, and then you want to cook whatever kind of pasta you want to al dente or a minute shy of al dente. So we're using some sketty because that's what we got. Then once our boil comes back, we're gonna cook this for 9 minutes. And then once your pasta's all cooked, kill the heat and drain it. Then in a hot pan on medium-high heat, just for a little extra zhuzh, we are going to make some crispy prosciutto. So just gonna take a couple of pieces of prosciutto, throw them in there. My prosciutto keeps breaking, but oh well. And this does not take long. We just want it crispy enough so we can crumble it. Once your prosciutto is nice and crispy, you can go ahead and pull it and put it somewhere where it can cool and drain. In the same pan, no need to clean it. Any sort of fond the prosciutto left behind will just add flavor. So we add 2 tablespoons of butter and some oil. The oil is just basically gonna help the butter not burn. Then we can go ahead and lay our chicken down. We don't need to cook it through all the way right now, so maybe just probably 3 minutes on the first side, 2 minutes on the second side. You don't want to crowd your pan, so if you have more chicken than fits in the pan like this comfortably, then do it in batches like we're gonna do right now. And once your guys have a nice golden brown crust, go ahead and flip them. And then when both sides are golden brown delicious, we can go ahead and take them off, put them somewhere, and set them aside. Once your chicken's cooked, add in 2 more tablespoons of butter, let that melt. We add in 3 tablespoons of capers, drained and rinsed, and a 1/4 cup of white wine. Bonus points if it came from a box. Sorry, I'm yelling. Let me just let that cook for a minute or two until it reduces a little bit. You want to scrape up anything that's stuck to the bottom, aka deglaze your pan. Then once that's slightly reduced, we add in 3/4 cup of chicken stock, the zest of a lemon, and the juice of that lemon. Just stir that up, get everything combined. And once that comes up to a simmer, we let it simmer for 2 minutes. Then we can lay our chicken guys in there. Then we just want to cook these guys in the sauce for about 3 to 5 minutes until your chicken's cooked all the way through. So we want it to be 165 overall, so if you pull it at 155, you should be fine. Flip it occasionally just to get it all soaked up in that sauce, you know? And then once your chicken's all cooked through, you can go ahead and remove your chicken guys. And then to deglaze this pan, we'll add a little bit more wine. Scrape anything that's stuck off the bottom. Then we go in with a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, about the same of heavy cream, and maybe a little bit less. Once your sauce is thickened, then we go ahead and kill the heat. We throw in some cubes of cold butter and we add some grated Parm. Get that all combined. And then we add our pasta in here. Come on. And then we just sort of stir or toss, depending on what kind of pan you're using, to coat. And then we're ready to plate. Looks pretty good. So then we're gonna give our pasta a little bit more Parm. Parmigiano Reggiano. And we're gonna put some of our prosciutto crumbles on we'll put them on everything. Why not? We'll clean it up and make it look nice. There we go. And we'll finish everything off with a little bit of fresh chopped parsley. And boom, ain't it beautiful? And there we have our chicken piccata with a creamy pasta. I don't know. Chicken piccata with a few fancifications. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. The chicken is crispy and juicy and tender. The sauce is amazing. The pasta's creamy. This is delicious. Comes together in under 30 minutes. So go make it out of 10. And hey, that's what I think. But let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. I just learned that the fear of long words is called hippopotamonstrosis squipedaliophobia. Kind of ironic, don't you think, Alanis?
Well, check it out. We made our version of Chicken Piccata. And of course, we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Oh, that's fire. Tender, juicy, rich, and creamy, but also has a nice brightness from the lemon.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
True wisdom comes to each of us when we realize how little we understand about life, ourselves, and the world around us.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, another restaurant quality meal you can make at home even better and easier. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go hit the like button. And hey, if you want to check out more videos, go check out some of our other easy videos right here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. Until next time, be good and peace.